So now come to question number 31. Exercise 1, circles. Again, very important. You have to read this problem carefully, what it wants. Tangents at any point on the circle meets this another circle. That means this is some circle is there. Tangents at any point on this tangent at any point. These tangents meet another circle at P and Q. Now, again, we are drawing another tangents at P and Q, such that they are at right angle. So these two tangents are at, as per that, these two tangents are at right angle. That means this point must lie on director circle of this second circle whose radius is B. So P must lie on, what is the equation of director circle of this? So R is H comma K. Or we will find afterward this. So okay, take R H comma K lies on director circle of the second circle. X square plus y square is equal to 2b square. What a director circle is a concentric, but radius is under root 2 times. So it lies in the director circle. Different approach I am giving. That is different approach. I am giving totally different approach. So this lies on this. Now with respect to this R, suppose this is H comma K. I will find chord of contact with respect to second circle whose radius is B. And that must be tangent to the first circle. So equation of chord of contact with respect to circle 2. What is the equation of chord of contact with respect to circle 2? T is equal to 0. What is circle 2? X square plus y square is equal to b square. So equation is T is equal to 0. That means Hx plus ky minus b square is equal to 0. This is the equation. Now, it is a tangent to x square plus y square is equal to 1. It is tangent to x square plus y square is equal to 1. So distance from center, this is 0, 0, center of the circle. Radius is a. So b square upon c upon under root h square plus k square must be equal to a. Now, h square plus k square will lie on this. This is circle 3. On it circle 3. So h square R lies on x square plus y square is equal to 2b square. So this implies h square plus k square is equal to b square. So this gives b square is equal to a under root of 2b square. So b square is equal to under root 2ab. So b will cancel. So b is equal to under root 2a. So this is a relationship between a and b. Thank you.